first time I heard about Columbia was probably, I actually can't remember the first time I learned about Columbia. I grew up with like a Columbia pennant above my crib. My dad is the first in his family to go to college and the first in his family to be a lawyer, and came from the Dominican Republic when he was 14. And so Columbia gave him that chance to play baseball and soccer and also get an education. And so, and stay close to home, because leaving New York seems scary then. He'd already come from the Dominican Republic. He definitely didn't want to go off to the middle of nowhere somewhere. And so he's class of 1979. And he also went to the law school.
Yeah, so a lot of...
Yeah, so together, I mean, my mom has a master's and a PhD from Columbia too. So combined, once you add my husband, it's a lot of degrees from Columbia. But my dad, you know, he kind of inspired me. He always would take us on tours when we were younger. My brother betrayed us all and didn't go to Columbia, but I did.
You're now the favorite.
Yeah, I'm now the favorite. No. Yeah, so my dad kind of inspired me. I definitely came into Columbia. I think it would be my experience would be a little different, only because my dad was like this star athlete. So all his stories are kind of, I was on the cover of The Spectator every day, and you know, those types of stories. And I was like, I don't think it's going to be like that for me. But I still had a great time. Yeah, I still had a great time. We both started off wanting to be psych majors and thought we were going to be therapists, and then we both ended up being lawyers. So as much as I fight it and say that I didn't follow in Dad's footsteps, here I am.